Life of Pi is basically, there's this boy, 16-year-old Indian teenager named Pi, who was brought up in a zoo, and he and his family are moving to Canada. And the ship sinks, and Pi is basically alone on a lifeboat with a tiger. When he loses his family, he loses basically everything he's ever had. He grew up in this little safe niche. And now suddenly he's been thrown into this world completely different from anything he's ever been in. There's a lot of regret in Pi. At the same time, there's fear. There's this sudden loss, which is so sorrowful. I would say this story would be about finding hope, finding, faith. It's a spiritual journey. I'd never done any acting before. My brother's acted in 2 movies before, and he was called for the casting auditions in my city. So I went with him, and the casting director said, you might as well, give it a shot. And they called me again and then again. And after a point, they said, you have to come to Bombay and you have to meet Ang. And I met Ang. I was really, really nervous. And I kept forgetting the lines. I did really badly, so I thought, okay, there goes my chance. And then Ang directed me. He talked to me, kind of made me feel those emotions, and we did it again. I ended up tearing up. Honestly, it was a very, very intense thing, Even when I got cast, I never imagined anything like this to happen. My name is Pi Patel. I have been in a shipwreck. I am on a lifeboat alone with a tiger. Please send help. Get out! I had to learn how to swim because I didn't know how to swim. So that was 3 hours of swimming every day would happen. We used to work on the raft and the boat to kind of get an idea of how to move, because I'd never been in the ocean or near it. So I come from a landlocked city, so I had no idea how all this works. Then there would be acting training with Ang. He'd make me read a little bit of a play and then enact it with him. Working with Ang, it's a really special thing. The way he kind of directs is, he never really says how you are meant to feel. He'll never directly tell you, but he'll somehow get that emotion inside of you. You walk into the room without any emotion, you walk out completely brimming every time. So Ang would teach me how to basically go back in your own memories and find emotions that are closest to the ones you have to portray, and you kind of build them up inside of you and relive them until they're real. And then you don't need to act out an emotion, because you build that emotion to a level where you just can't control it anymore. They will yell action, and then you will shout, you will cry. What more do you want? If you watch the movie, there's so much beauty. And when we were shooting, it was blue. Basically, we were on this boat, on this huge tank with water and blue screen all around us. And all the color, all that visually stimulating, amazing stuff, it came together much later on. For example, I had to imagine the tiger. So there were 4 tigers being trained, and I used to watch their enclosures for long periods of time to get an idea of how they move. And Ang will also tell you exactly what the tiger's doing. And you go to the boat and you react to whatever you have learned about that one shot. Here, it's yours! By the end of the shooting, I honestly used to feel like the tiger's there, because I was doing it every day. For so long, it became almost there. I mean, the whole thing for me, everything was new. I had never done anything of what I had just done, whether it was the acting for the first time or learning how to do all these different things. Everything was challenging, but it was also the most beautiful, amazing, best year of my life.